What's going on, everybody? This is Kev the Barber with another classic, and you're sitting at the Barber's Table. Today we're just going to be doing a mid-bald fade on a curly high top. We're not going to touch the top, we're just going to do the sides and just show you guys the blend work that I'm going to do today. I told you guys I'm going to be posting daily. More accurately, it's 5 days a week. I'm going to try and post from Monday to Friday. Every Friday is going to be a tutorial. Every Monday is going to be questions. I'm going to just read the comments. So if you guys got any questions, just make sure you just drop them in the comments. But here, starting off with my magic clips, closing the lever and going up halfway. And this has to be one of my favorite tutorials that I've ever dropped on here. So of course I'm going to have to let it ride. I'm going to pop in and out just to give some specifics on what I'm doing. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Creating my second guideline with the lever open, going about an inch up. Notice how my wrist is moving in a motorized motion as if it's kind of like tempoed at a certain beat per minute. That is something that's necessary for you to have a constant and clean fade. Don't just put your clipper there and then move on. You got to make sure that you cut every hair cleanly. If you fail to do that, your fades get a little blotchy, and that's when you see fades that aren't as smooth because you move from step to step, but you didn't complete each step thoroughly. So make sure you guys do that. Now I'm just fading out the bottom line, going halfway to closed. Now I'm going in with a one open, leaving a little bit of hair there on the side, not going into the longer hair so that I can later blend it in and make sure that it looks smooth and transitions great into the longer hairs. From that guideline, I'm fading down now, taking out that line. Typically I just close it all the way and then use wrist motion to fade it into the one open. It's a really easy way of doing it. And if you see any blotches, you just go halfway and take it out. It's important to note here though that with these magic clips, you can't quite take out the open no guard with the one closed. So you won't see that line go away. Don't keep attacking it and bringing up the lightness. You can take out a half guard or use the corner of the blade to fix that. Now here's my 1.5 where I'm blending into the longer hairs, kind of flicking it out a bit, and if I don't like it, I can just freehand it. But now it's just an eye game. You got to make sure you know what you're doing. See, I just changed to the 1.5. Go through your steps and then forget your steps and then look at the fade and see what it takes to finish the look. Now, if you take notice to the front hairline, it's really curly, and in order to get those lines nice and crisp, you gotta cut it down lower, down to like a 1 with the grain. But it's all eye game, so that when you cut it, it's nice and sharp and doesn't curl up. I'm just taking the curl out of the hair right now and making sure I don't push it back. And once I line it up, I want it to look effortlessly nice. You know what I mean? Taking my bubbles out here and just nipping the front to see how it behaves and if I like the line as I go along. There we go. I like it. Looks nice and sharp to me, so I'm just gonna keep it at that length and not go any further back. Reference your lines with the eyebrows. That's how you know if it's straight or not. That's the best way to take a look at your work. If you notice, the whole time I'm just nipping the hairline, nothing crazy. It's really, not pushing it back. You can get a nice sharp look just by nipping it, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna come through with the straight razor and then just sharpen it up a bit, get that stubble out, and then we complete that entire thing. If you enjoy these videos, please drop a like. It really helps the channel out. Comment down below. That also helps the channel out. And subscribe if you haven't already. It's amazing seeing you guys. And if you haven't seen the vlog series I'm doing, where I show you guys a day in the life of this very barbershop, you see the writing on the wall. You get to meet the barbers and everything. I really try and dedicate this channel to helping up and coming aspiring barbers who want more out of it than just haircuts. That is all, folks. Hope you guys loved this video. Please drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. That is it. You're sitting at the barber's table. Thanks for coming through, and please don't forget, you guys gotta check out that vlog series, man. It's like put my heart and soul in that joint. If you guys like the music, if you guys got any suggestions, please let me know. But as for right now, your boy is out of here.